Welcome to Frontu. Today, I'm excited to introduce a powerful new functionality, pivot reporting. With this new feature, you can create custom reports directly from the work order list or under reports using the built-in pivot tool. Let's walk through how it works. In the work order list, you'll find a pivot button right next to the export button. Clicking on it allows you to build and customize reports based on your selected filters. Keep in mind that your pivot report is generated based on filters you apply. If you remove all filtering rules, you'll receive a warning that too many items are being loaded. To avoid this, always apply relevant filters to refine your data. Within the menu, you'll see an Open option. Here, you can access pre-existing report templates to get started quickly. Once you've built your report, you can save it directly in the database for future use. You can also export it in multiple formats, including PDF, Excel, HTML, or send it directly to the printer. For a graphical representation of your data, click Chart, and Frontu will generate a visual overview based on your pivot data. You can customize your table in several ways, such as formatting cells, applying conditional formatting, and adjusting the table style to match your reporting preferences. You can also add or remove fields easily. Just drag and drop the ones you need. For example, if you want to remove a value from the Values field, simply double-click it. To add additional fields, drag and drop them into the desired position. You can expand user data to see job details and service types. If you need a clearer view, switch to full screen mode and toggle it back when needed. You can add additional filters to the report by clicking on the gear icon. That's it. Now you're ready to take advantage of pivot reporting in Frontu.